Bright bird flies for shelter. IGH, IE and Y spelling rule story. Once upon a time, there was a flock of migrating birds who were flying for days. They were very tired of flying in the night sky. They had been traveling miles in search of some peaceful shelter. So the birds asked the head bird, "Let's find a good place for shelter to rest." Now they were so tired that they could no more fly in the dry night sky. As they approached towards the town of Letter Wing, they noticed a wise owl sitting on a big glorious tree. The head bird, whose name was Bright, asked the owl, "We all birds are very tired and want shelter at your trees as they have light. Would you please let us stay here?" As the head bird asked for shelter, the wise owl thought to propose a condition. He took out his book and searched for a solution and exclaimed with joy, "Hooray! I got the solution!" He announced, "Yes, my dear birds, you all may stay here, but one tree cannot accommodate all of you. So let me allocate the trees to the birds depending upon their names." So those birds having I sound at the end of their names and two consonants before them will go to Y tree. So I will say the names and those birds will go on the tree Y. Fry, dry, cry, try, sky and fly. And those birds having I sound in the middle of the words but not ending with the letter T will be on tree 2, which says IE. So the birds flied, cried, dried and lied will stay on the tree IE. And if these birds have P, L, P and D in the beginning of their names, then also they may reside on the tree IE. So the birds pie, tie and lie may also stray on the IE tree. And those birds with I sound in the middle of their names but ending in the letter T will reside on IGH tree. So the birds bright, flight, light, sight will stay on IGH tree. And this way all the birds got shelter on the trees for few days. This way the wise owl accommodated all the birds on the trees in the letter wing. Words having I sound at the end of their names and two consonants before them will write Y for I sound. Cry, try, dry and sky. Those words having I sound in the middle of the words but not ending with the letter T will write IE. Cried, dried, lied and flied. And if these words have P, L, P, D in the beginning of the word, then also they may write IE. Tie, die, lie and pie. Those words having I sound in the middle but ending in the letter T will write IGH, light, fight, sight and bright.